My time at Boardwalk Boutique Hotel Aruba. Things I will never forget. Things I will never forget. I had the amazing opportunity of living in a beautiful hotel in Aruba for 30 nights, so I got a taste of what life would be like as a resident. I explored Aruba and created memories forever. I've seen lots of sunsets in my life, but the ones in Aruba are extra magical. And running around in summer clothes all the time is always my favorite. The beautiful hiking. Wow, I didn't really expect that from Aruba, and I was amazed by the island's two completely different sides. The southern coastline is calm with bright white sand and turquoise waters, while the northern coast is rocky with deserts and dark, rough sea. You can go snorkeling and hiking on the same day, which I love. Both parts are so beautiful. Aruba has great views, but the most important part for me was having a relaxed, sunny, and safe place to be and be creative and explore. I really understand why people living on islands are generally just more chill. Aruba was a very special and playful island to experience, and I always love places where shoes are optional. I found a home away from home. I lived at Boardwalk for over a month. I experienced the local life by grilling fish on my barbecue and hanging out in my hammock, while reading a good book or doing yoga and listening to the birds. Also, the recommendations from the Boardwalk team never disappointed. They know about the best hidden gems and off-the-beaten-path places, from hiking trails and hidden natural pools to places to get the best food. I felt so welcome. A note to the people of Boardwalk Hotel in Aruba. I had the best time here. I hope I will see you all again soon. Te oro, Tess.